The first digital clutch for the Stark VARG. That transforms your bike into an entirely new machine.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas Klausner, co-founder of REA. Rooted in real-world application, we've used years of two-wheel experience with cutting-edge mechatronic engineering. We are here to add the missing piece to the puzzle, the one so many of you have been waiting for. Stark Future has set a new benchmark by building a revolutionary motorcycle that proves electric can outperform combustion, delivering insane power with zero emissions, a completely new and silent riding experience. Now, we're taking electric off-road one step further. It's an honor to introduce the REA Clutch. The first digital clutch for the Stark VARG. More control, more speed, and more fun. We are able to add a new dimension of control and precision, enabling riders to conquer previously impossible obstacles, take their skill to a new level, and definitely make the switch from combustion to electric even easier. You simply ride better. By the second you plug in the connector, it transforms your motorcycle into the perfect machine, leaving no doubt that electric is the future of MX and enduro. The right hand's primary role is to hold on to the bike, not to fine adjust sensitive throttle output. On standard electric motorcycles, a single degree of throttle input makes the difference between traction and wheel spin. In contrast, the left index finger, more independent from holding on, enables ultra-precise clutch control, faster and more responsive than twisting the throttle with your wrist. Your right hand sets the available power, and with the clutch you decide how much and how fast it reaches the wheel. Now, riders can preload and through the clutch release it in an instant. One quick finger release is simply faster than a full throttle twist. Think of the sharp response you need when riding difficult enduro sections, the snappy power to get over obstacles, or the quickness on a motocross start. The clutch ensures that you're able to have the right amount of throttle at all times. When you lift the front wheel, for example, it naturally counteracts throttle input, which can lead to unintended throttle rollback, precisely when maximum power would be needed. Meaning the clutch is especially helpful for techniques like the double flip or splatter, but also benefits casual riding. Furthermore, integrating the clutch allows you to maintain the popular and essential attack position, chest forward and elbows out. Beyond all the performance benefits, the REA clutch adds a crucial safety advantage. As a safeguard, pulling the clutch can prevent excessive speed on downhills or even save you from flipping your bike on steep hill climbs. That's enough explanation for now. Leon Wörmer, a passionate enduro rider, co-founder of REA and the chief developer of the REA clutch, will now show you how to get one on your bike.
With the REA clutch, no complex setup or motorcycle modifications are necessary. All you have to do is mount the lever on your handlebars, store the electronic housing under your front plate, plug in the connectors. Then you switch on your motorcycle and you're ready to go. The REA clutch is built to withstand the toughest circumstances. CNC milled 70-75 aluminium made in Austria. and the design eliminates every aspect of maintenance or mechanical wear. It doesn't matter if temperature, altitude changes, or how many hours you ride, your setup stays consistent. Its self-lubricating bearings ensure smooth, long-term performance. And with the rear clutch, we have no need for a physical flywheel, since bikes like the Stark VARG have more than enough torque to create the momentum needed for explosive launches. So yes, you'll never have to change clutch discs again. So let's get into more technical details. This clutch is not just a lever. At the heart of the system is our advanced pattern-filed calculation algorithm, working efficiently in the background to deliver two key advantages live and simultaneously. First, as soon as you plug in the connectors, your throttle response is a lot smoother than with standard setup. It filters out shocks from rocks and prevents slipping on roots, resulting in a seamless and predictable motorcycle response. Second, you can control explosive power release with your clutch finger, exactly like dropping the clutch on a combustion motorcycle. Full power can be unleashed in an instant. Power delivery is entirely in your hands, not only when riding, but also through software. It is fully customizable. Shift from smooth enduro to aggressive motocross, or adapt from wet to dry riding conditions. Last but not least, an audio signal indicates the level of throttle input, adding another layer of intuitive feedback. This lets you know how much throttle power is available when the clutch is pulled, comparable to the RPMs of a combustion bike. The volume is adjustable and only on when the clutch is pulled, preserving one of the greatest advantages of electric motorcycles, their silence. The rear clutch takes electric off-road riding to the next level. Imagine a system that supports you in every situation on two wheels. Smooth how you like it, snappy when you want it, and safe when you need it. We deliver what your bike has been missing: maximum control.
Production of the first patch has started, but is limited to just 200 pieces. Don't wait. Secure yours now at shop-rare.com or through one of our exclusive dealers.
With the rear clutch, you're not just buying a mechanical lever, you're unleashing a completely new motorcycle. Ride like never before.